Hi Liam.
Hi.
So what are you going to do today?
I'm going to show all the kids how to put chocolate peanut butter in your oats.
Chocolate peanut butter in oats. Okay, what do you need to put the chocolate peanut butter in your oats?
So the first thing you need to take is a little spoon.
A little spoon.
It's actually the arrow.
Okay.
And then you scoop these out.
What is this?
Peanut butter.
Okay, so this is a chocolate peanut butter. It is literally just peanut butter with cocoa powder in it from Dr. Utker Fun Foods. We got this here in India. And this is one of the healthier ones to have because it doesn't have the palm oil in it, is it? Let me see. Yeah, this one doesn't have the palm oil in it, which is one of the ingredients that's actually not very good for you. Okay, so you can see there it's got 80% roasted peanuts. It's got 18% chocolate base, which is a bit of sugar, and cocoa powder, cocoa solid, some cocoa butter, and that's it. So there's no extra oils or anything. That's literally just the oil that's in there is literally from the peanuts.
The ones actually have it.
Yes.
But even the light browns are called peanut butter.
Yes, you get other ones that is from this brand. You get only plain ones as well, plain peanut butter.
I got two things to have.
You got two things, okay. A big spoon.
I thought this was a treasure box.
You thought it was a treasure box? What's in it? Let's see.
Okay, how do you get this out?
You've got to try. Put it down and then you open it from one side.
It's ready.
What's happening?
There's two stuff.
Two stuff. What's happening?
Two openers.
Two openers. Okay, so just pull the one side.
Can you just see something peeking?
What's inside? Some oats.
Just what I needed.
Just what you needed. Okay, so the oats is in there.
Like jelly, right?
Yes, it's gone a little bit cold because it was made a while ago. And Liam likes to keep it for like his snack time. Okay, so now you've got your oats. And you've got all of these spoons out.
Open. Oh, do you go that way or this way?
Let's see. Which side do you think you open it? There we go. You can see it's quite dark because there's lots of cocoa powder in there. And it actually tastes like chocolate spread. Yeah, well, you've been eating it. What do you expect?
And actually, I also put it on my bread.
Yes, Liam loves eating this on his bread, in his oats, literally in his oats. And he loves eating it out of the container as well, isn't it? See, big spoon like that, a big scoop like that. Yummy.
How do you get this thing?
You tell me how you get it off.
So you just tap it, or do you?
No, if you tap it, it's not going to come off. It's also not going to drizzle off because it's quite thick.
Is it like jelly that's stuck?
No, jelly that doesn't get stuck on this. Jelly will just slide
like
off.
This should be sticky notes.
Yes, sticky notes over there.
Sticky notes like the sticky just like plaster.
Okay, so now please put your chocolate peanut butter there in your oats.
Okay, how do I push this?
I thought you were going to use your other spoon to do it. Now you're using your fingers. Just because you like to mess your fingers and like lick it off. You.
Okay. You want to taste?
Taste it.
That is a taste.
Yummies.
So?
You got an itchy nose today?
Hmm?
You got an itchy nose today?
Yeah, please. My bread.
And Malaika's going to have some on her bread.
My sister's in the video.
Yes.
So?
Why not?
Okay, I'll look for a knife. This is a drawer.
Yes, which is empty because we need to pack the dishes away.
Where is the knife? Oh, there's the...
Oi!
Are you okay?
Careful, are you okay?
Okay. I'll just keep it over there. Let's get... I know how much I need. I'll spread it.
Okay. Yeah, the one thing with this is it is quite thick and dry, so when your bread is a bit soft, it doesn't really spread. It like breaks the bread.
Like this.
Yeah, it like breaks the bread. So it just so the one thing that's nice that you apply it thickly onto your bread, so you've got lots of chocolate peanut butter. Okay. So Liam, have you finished mixing? What are you doing? Okay, one thing. I don't think that container is clean, is it?
Yeah, we're gonna eat it.
What was in that container?
Let's see, potatoes.
There was potatoes in there.
Okay, I'll keep it.
No, you can't.
Handle it.
See what I mean with Liam will go and eat like a dollop of it like on its own, okay? Which is, peanut butter is okay, but eating that much is not okay because it can...
I'll cut.
But now what are you going to do with all of that? Anyways, you're going to eat it and mess everywhere. Anyways, okay. So having oats is good because it keeps your stomach regular, meaning that you would go to the loo regularly, and it helps you to grow and makes you strong. Okay, and it's got protein in it as well. Okay, and Lucas is crying there in the background somewhere. I don't know where he's crying.
Maybe then on the couch.
Probably under the couch here because he likes to climb under the couch, and
he's grown a lot.
He's grown a lot. Okay, so okay, and then with your oats being healthy for you, having some extra chocolate peanut butter in there gives us some flavor, but also gives us some extra protein and good fats that you need actually for the day. Okay, so one for that and one for how many you put?
2.
Okay, that's 2 too many. Right. Okay, so please close this. There we go. Thank you.
I don't know where to keep it. Which way should I go?
It goes in that cupboard over there.
It's fine. I'll keep it.
Okay, fine.
There are the shoes again.
Oh my goodness, he's going to shoes the whole time. Okay, so anyways, so Liam is going to go and enjoy his chocolate peanut butter oats and become big and strong and healthy. So bye Liam, go and enjoy your oats.